Welcome back everybody. So what we're doing here is we're just marking out for the mortise here. And now the foot. I must say this is a piece of ash and we're going to be turning a bowl of it and decorating it with some hot glue. So we've got the mid-size finisher here from Easy Wood Tools and we're going to start turning it to shape.
I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done and I've rattled you to the ground. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars.
We've got the inspiration for the shape of this bowl from JP Woodwork. He tends to do a lot of good shape. So thank you, Mr. JP. Alright, so we're getting to the bottom of the bowl now, and we're going to go in with the detailer to find where the mortise is going to go, and the number 1 hollower just to clean that out, and the rougher just to flatten everything off. And there's the detailer just to match the shape of the dovetail to the jaws. Okay, I've done almost to the sanding now, so we're just going to go in with the 400 grit. That's clean spore abrasives, that is, Abranet. With the methylated spirits or denatured alcohol there, just to clean off any grain. Okay, we've got some blue now from the Hampshire Sheen Carnival Colours range. If anybody is interested in any Hampshire Sheen products I've used in this video or any other products that they sell, there is a link down below in the description. I'm just going to dab it all over now. As you can probably see, I'm not exactly an artist. And a bit of orange. Okay, so I'm just going to run the lathe pretty fast and use a bit of friction now just to dry that off. There we go. And this next step is absolutely vital, is sanding sealer. I've put a couple of coats of sanding sealer on. I only showed one on camera though. Absolutely vital for this project though. And the glue. You could of course attempt to put this on in a certain pattern if you like, but we just went a little bit crazy with this one. Okay, so now we're going to spray over that with some black aerosols. Make sure you get all the cover bits. And this is why we put that sanding sealer on. There we go. Comes off that easy. Of course you can do this on the bottom of bowls, the top of bowls, the flat work, anything really I suppose. Maybe even your kitchen covers at home. Alright, we're just going to put on some Hampshire Sheen crystalline wax over the top of that. Wipe it all over, get a nice even coverage. And you spin the lead to about 1000 to 1200. And lightly buff it in, not pushing too hard because you don't want to wipe the wax off. Just build it up enough heat to melt the wax into the wood. And there you go, on to the top. Alright, we're going to start off with the #1 hollower, also from Easy Wood Tools.
Scars. I'll brush you up just like the dust upon my shoulder. I have a hunch of who you are. Believe it or not, I got the strength to blow you over.
And switch to the mid-side finisher, fixing up any ridges that might have happened. And as always, I've done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand up to 240 this time. Beer and methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer on the inside. Some Yorkshire grit abrasive paste. There will be links down in the description if you wish to purchase any of this. There's now both links to UK and USA distributors. Just buff that in until you get a clean paper towel, and there you have the equivalent of 1000 grit. And there we go. And some Hampshire Sheen original luster wax to finish it off. There will be some pictures at the end. Please comment down below, let me know what you think. Show it your friends, show it your family, show it your enemies if you like. Give me a big old thumbs up, and until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye bye for now.